Take pride in your passion? So do we. Welcome to Jack the Barber's Shaving Tutorial. Start by soaking a shaving brush with warm water until fully waterlogged as shown. This allows the bristles to soften and helps create a strong lather. To prepare the double-edged safety razor, simply unscrew the handle. Remove the back plate and load a new razor, ensuring the connector pins line up with each hole. Reattach the back plate and secure the handle tightly. If done correctly, the head should make a semicircle as shown. Lather the shaving brush by gently pressing onto the Jack the Barber shaving cream bowl and begin rotating in a circular motion for around 15 seconds. Your brush should be filled top to bottom with the bubble mixture and look similar to this. Apply the cream by working in a tight circular motion until shave area is completely covered. This not only creates a rich velvety lather, but also exfoliates the skin and gets the hair ready for shaving. Begin shaving your desired area slowly, ensuring even contact across the edge of the razor and moving in the same direction as the hair is growing. Don't force it. Let the razor do the work. Once you're done, make sure to wash all equipment and store in a cool, dry place. Jack the Barber.